Browser autofill is convenient, but it can also be risky. Today, I'm going to show you how to avoid these risks by using dedicated vaults for your sensitive data. Stay tuned because by the end of this video, you'll know how to better secure your information and minimize the chances of your autofill being exploited. And if you want to follow along, I've got an exclusive free trial for the software we'll be using, available only to viewers of my channel. Check the description below. First, let's talk about why browser autofill can be dangerous. Autofill remembers your passwords, credit card details, and addresses. But if someone gains access to your browser or device, they can easily retrieve all that information. It's a huge risk if your browser's autofill is storing things like login credentials or personal financial data. The best way to protect yourself is by using a dedicated vault for your sensitive data. This software we're using today allows you to store everything securely in an encrypted vault, separate from your browser's autofill system. The first thing you need to do is download this software from the link in the description. Once installed, you can import your passwords and other sensitive info into the vault. Now let's go over a simple step-by-step to get started. After installation, you'll want to enable the browser extension. This extension will automatically prompt you to save passwords and autofill info to the secure vault instead of the browser. Every time you enter new information, you'll have the option to save it in your vault. And from there, it can be autofilled in any browser you choose, but only with the vault's secure access. Here's the crucial part. With a dedicated vault, you're not just relying on the browser's built-in security. You get added encryption and the peace of mind that comes with it. If your browser gets compromised, your sensitive data is still locked up tight in the vault. Plus, the vault has extra features like two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security. One more thing. Make sure to disable the autofill settings in your browser once you've set up your vault. You don't need both, and keeping the browser autofill active just adds more risk. The software we're using has settings that integrate seamlessly with your browser, so you'll never have to worry about manually entering passwords or personal information again. To wrap it up, using a dedicated vault helps you protect your passwords and other sensitive info by keeping them out of the browser's autofill system. With encryption and two-factor authentication, your data is far safer from hackers. Remember to disable your browser's autofill once you set up the vault. It's an easy step to minimize risks and enhance your security. Before we close, don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial linked in the description below, available only to you as a viewer of my channel. The key takeaway here is simple. Avoid storing sensitive information in your browser's autofill by using a secure encrypted vault. It's a quick, easy way to protect your personal data from being compromised. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to grab your free trial link in the description.